What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be working on this 2003 Acura RSX Type S. I still haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or part it out or sell it. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and fix a check engine light that I've been getting, or that I got when I purchased the vehicle. It's P1457, which is Purge Canister Leak Detected. I put a picture up on the screen. First thing it tells you to do is actually tighten down the fuel cap, which I went ahead and did. And of course I cleared the code, I tightened up the fuel cap, and just to be safe, I went ahead and I ordered a new purge valve, which is this right here. This was, I think, 20 bucks. It's 20 bucks on eBay. And this purge valve actually goes, it's very easy to get to. It's right here. So you can tell this one's kind of corroded and crusty looking. And just to, I guess, play it safe, I'm going to go ahead and replace this. If the light does come back on, then it's most likely going to be a faulty gasket on the fuel cap, or it's going to be a purge valve that's on the bottom on the canister. I'll put the correct information on the, I'll put a picture of exactly what I'm talking about. I'll go ahead and replace this real quick. I'll show you guys how to do it. Very easy. Fitting here, or excuse me, a connector here, a line here, and then you pull these two screws off. So one here, one on this side, and that should pop right out, and then you stick the new one right in. Hopefully you guys can see where I'm at. Here's the solenoid itself, a purge valve solenoid. I'll go ahead and pull this, pull the connector. You can't really see, it's right here.
Perfect.
Kind of hard to take off sometimes.
Cody.
It should pop right up. There's a gasket that's holding it down on the O-ring. Just gotta. Oh, look at that. Actually broke it. Let's see if we can get that out. Spread a little bit of penetrating oil on it just to get past that seal.
Perfect.
Let that sit for a second. There we go, just like that. You know, this happens to all of us, so you just gotta be careful. Here's the old one, here's the new one. As you saw, the old one actually broke here, so I don't know, this might have had a crack and just gave out, or just because the O-ring was seated on there pretty good and it finally broke. But you saw that. It's pretty easy to remove. And I'll go ahead and install this. And There it is installed. Reverse process for the installation. It's very easy. I did put a little bit of lubricant on the O-ring. Not a lot, just enough for it to go in a lot easier. Screw here. Screw on this side, you can see it there. And your connector and your line. Of course, you know, you want to make sure this line doesn't have any leaks, or over here as well. Make sure it's not dry rotted pretty much.